Hey friend, welcome to Self Transformed, a podcast redefining self-care through simple fitness, nutrition, and mindset habits. I'm your host, Emily Nichols, certified personal trainer, Whole30 coach, and Taco Tuesday enthusiast. Hey, I know the struggle is real when it comes to taking care of you. I too am a busy working mom who felt physically and emotionally drained until I took action on my own transformation journey. I finally found the solutions to feeling confident and living a healthy lifestyle that doesn't feel hard, and now I'm on a mission to equip you with sustainable tools to help transform your life from the inside out, guilt-free. Together, we will simplify your health and fitness into daily habits that don't feel like another thing on your long to-do list, but daily actions that light you up instead. So if you're ready to redefine self-care and step into your own self-transformation, then let's do this. You're listening to a bonus episode of Self Transformed. Hey friend, welcome back to the show. Hey, this is not going to take up a lot of your time. This has been taking up a lot of my time, though, in all transparency. I have hit record and delete probably about 5 times because my dogs will not stop barking. 'Tis the season for deliveries, for gifts, and the trash man came just a little bit ago as well. So that's that work from home life, which I wouldn't change it for the world because my puppies are the best coworkers I've ever had in my life. So, well, hey gang, I have a very exciting announcement for you that my Self-Transformed family already learned yesterday in our Facebook community. If you're not a member yet over there, come join us over there. A lot of free trainings going on over there at bit.ly/selftransformedfam. Come over and join the family over their team. But hey, here's the exciting announcement. At the beginning of the year, I am relaunching, revamping, kicking off the new year with Habit Breakthrough Bootcamp. This is one of my signature live workshops. We did it for the first time this past year a few times. We got so much great feedback and a lot of really great takeaways for folks. But as I was digging into the comments and what folks were doing with the free training that they got, I've totally revamped it, and it is going to teach you a new habit method that I've created to help you really do the hardest part when it comes to starting a new healthy habit. Okay, that new method. And what's the hardest part, you ask? You're like, what's the hardest part? I bet you're already thinking it in your head. It's taking action, actually starting. Like just doing it sometimes can be the hardest part, right? So I've created this new habit method. It's going to be really easy for you to remember, really easy for you to implement, but it's going to help you to do that first step, which is just taking action in regards to your own self-care, and start taking care of yourself, and do that through some habit strategy. Okay. So for Habit Breakthrough Bootcamp, it's going to be 3 days. It used to be 5 days, but I've narrowed it down to 3 days. I feel like that works a little better for everyone. If you're able to join us live, it is January 4th through 6th. So it's a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'll be going live every day at 12 p.m. Eastern and taking you through this new habit method that I am revealing for the first time in our group on Habit Breakthrough Bootcamp. Okay. Now, there's going to be a couple giveaways going on. I want you to be able to join us live, and as you're commenting on the live, I'll be giving you little cues as to when to comment, to enter your name multiple times, especially if you're commenting a lot. I'm going to do 2 giveaways at the end of the workshop, okay? So I'm going to give away someone that my new habit tracker. It's exclusively available for students that are in the Habits That Stick starter kit. It's such a great tool that I want to be able to gift that to somebody for taking the time to watch either the live or the replay of Habit Breakthrough Bootcamp. I'm also going to give away a free spot in the January session of Self Transform You. I am so excited. I'll be revealing over the next couple of weeks, especially first and foremost with our Self Transform girls in the Facebook community, what STU is going to look like in January. I have totally revamped my signature program, all based on client feedback. And I'm so excited because there's going to be even more heightened accountability and interaction with me as your coach. And just more chatting one-on-one with my clients is like my favorite. That face-to-face interaction versus just, messaging each other. That's great, but being able to connect with somebody face-to-face via Zoom or however that is next level, and it gives you that heightened accountability to really create a health plan backed by proven habit strategies that is going to help you feel your best from the inside out. So I cannot wait to give you more details on this. I'm telling you early now, so go put it on your calendar, put it on your Google Calendar, write it on your paper calendar, whatever works best for you. That way you don't miss the live. All you got to do is come over to the Facebook community. Again, it's bit.ly/self-transformed-fam. Join the group. I'll ask you a couple of questions. I'll send you a free gift actually for joining the group as well. And you can access all of my previous live workshops, worksheets I've created for you in the guides section while you're hanging out there and checking out all the fun memes that I post there, because memes and get me live. It's so fun. That's just a really great place to connect, to hear from other women who are maybe having the same challenges and wins as you are, and be able to just encourage each other to take care of ourselves and to know that self-care is not selfish. Self-care is necessary, but looking at it from a holistic view with some habit strategy behind it to make it stick, not just, when you do a course or when you do a workout program or like a 30-day thing, but for life, because there is no finish line when it comes to your health. And I want you to take care of yourself proactively. Like we talked about on Monday's episode, go back and listen to episode before this if you didn't catch it. I want you to proactively take care of yourself. That way you feel your best. You're able to pour into those who you love around you and just be in that zone. Be in that zone where you are just feeling your best, okay? So excited for Habit Breakthrough Bootcamp. Again, it is January 4th through the 6th, 12 p.m. Eastern on those 3 days. That Friday after, I'll announce the winner for who is getting the habit tracker that's exclusively available just for the students in the Habit Set Stick Starter Kit, and who else is going to win a free spot in STU for January. I can't wait. I'm so excited for you. If you have any questions, my DMs are always open. You can always connect with me on Instagram as well. So see you in the Facebook community. And of course, feel free to invite a friend to come along too. The more women we're able to lift up, the better. Okay? See you in the Facebook group, and I'll see you back here next week on Self Transformed. Hey girl, real quick, before you go, if you love today's show and know your girlfriends need to hear this message too, then grab a screenshot, post it to your Instagram stories, and tag me at EmilyNichols22, because the more mamas out there hearing this message, the more empowered we'll all feel to take care of ourselves so we can pour from a full cup. Or the number one way you can thank me for this podcast is to leave a rating and review in iTunes. That way, more mamas will find the show here too. Love you and appreciate you, girlfriends. See you next time.